Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your location in the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. And you won't want to miss that. So let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the SHEIN app. Here it usually opens in the home menu or the shop tab. Now let's go to the Me tab, and here in the top right corner we find the settings, and here in the almost in the middle you tap on location, and you can choose from all of the countries in the world. You can select your location, and the SHEIN app will customize it for you. So again, Me, settings, location, and select from the list. That's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.